Hello, little artist friends! Today we're diving into the world of apples and drawing a very cute apple together. Would you like to? Then let's get started! Great, you little artists! Now it's getting colorful! Take your red, green, or yellow pencils because apples come in many colors. How do you color your apple? Write it in the comments. If you like the video, then leave a like and subscribe. And our masterpiece is ready. I hope you had fun drawing. You did a great job. If you would like to see more videos from me, then subscribe and we will see each other again next time. See you soon and stay creative.